Now back to our continuing coverage of flooding in the tri-state. Cleanup is just getting started for so many people, but the need for repairs after severe weather can bring out, of course, scammers. Consumer reporters Taylor Nimmo and John Matarese join us with what red flags to be on the lookout for so you don't waste your money, guys.
Well, if you have any storm damage, you likely want to find a solution as quickly as possible, but make sure the person you hire to make repairs is someone you can trust.
Yeah, especially right now when there are plenty of scammers that could be trying to take advantage of your situation and steal your money.
Tragedies and natural disasters always create opportunities for bad actors to try to scam people.
Christine Haley with the Cincinnati Better Business Bureau wants you to be on the lookout for storm chasers, the out-of-town contractors soliciting business in the tri-state.
There's going to be storm chasers coming in. Not all storm chasers are bad, but you definitely want to see if they are licensed in your area.
Storm chasers may lack the proper licensing, offer quick fixes, or make big promises they don't keep. Haley says one common hook is when the scammer claims to be working in your neighborhood on another project and has leftover supplies. Make sure you have multiple ways to contact them.
Their name, their address, their phone number. You also want to contact your insurance company to see if that work is going to be covered by them. And never sign immediately or be pressured.
Look out for red flags. Be cautious if a contractor contacts you first, especially after a natural disaster. Ask for references and check them out. If the contractor is reluctant to share this information, that's a red flag. Cash-only deals are another red flag. You should always get a written contract with the price, materials, and timeline. Charity accreditation specialist Amber Ziegler says bad actors also try to impersonate different charities.
Be very careful about clicking on any links or donating to anyone who comes to your door or stops you on the street.
Do your research. It can help make sure your donation is going to a good cause rather than in a scammer's pocket. One way to check if a charity or business is legit:
Definitely contact Better Business Bureau to look for and search for accredited businesses. They've been vetted by Better Business Bureau. They meet our standards.
Ziegler says there are licenses and registrations required for both businesses and charities, and the Better Business Bureau does all the work to vet that information for you.
Yeah, and we'll have a link to businesses and charities the BBB has confirmed are legit over on WCPO.com, and that way you don't waste your